Getting started, let me introduce myself. I'm Srikant Nandakumar, and I'm currently working as a battery expert at Acure Battery Intelligence company in Aachen, Germany. And if you are, if you want, the job opportunities in battery domain is actually vary. Right? You can work in different parts of the battery domain. So in this slide, I have mentioned only the fundamental parts. It's not even complete. I cannot list every jobs here. So this is the fundamental parts where you can find different kinds of jobs: electrical, mechanical, electrochemical, electronics. Anyone can find jobs in all these areas. I will explain it to you. First of all, when I talk about batteries, I'm talking about lithium-ion batteries and its variants. Yes, there are other types of batteries too, but what I'm talking about is currently lithium-ion batteries, which is mostly used in the EVs and the stationary side. So when I talk about batteries, once again, when we think about batteries, it is like small AAA and AA batteries, which we use in our remote control and something like that. But that is just a cell. It is not a battery. It's just a cell. So a battery is basically, I will tell you, many hundreds of cells connected in series or parallel will become a battery module, and many modules in series or parallel connected together will become a battery pack. And the battery pack with all the electronics, battery management system, the fault detection, the different sensors, and everything together will become a battery system. So you have jobs in all these areas of the battery system, starting from cells. So as I talked about the gigafactories opening up, and it will be producing so many batteries. So that is where design, manufacturing, and production side will be handy, because people working in that will have lots and lots of job coming up in the next few years. Similarly, testing, modeling, and validation. We need to test the battery cells and the batteries itself for many types of tests, like electrical tests, mechanical tests, abuse tests, stress tests, every types of tests you have to do. And modeling and validation is also important for cells. And the other side is the battery system. As I said before, many cells together will become a module. Many modules together will become a battery system. So the system development itself is a job opportunity. You have so many lots and lots of job in system development. And similarly, the battery management system. I hope most of you know about battery management system. If you don't know, I will explain it to you. Briefly, battery management system actually monitors and corrects the battery mostly. So it has to, in a battery, we have to always monitor the voltage, the current, the temperature, and the state of charge, the state of health, the aging of the battery, and even faults happening in the battery, so that it should be cut off from the whole system. So battery management system is a very interesting and very huge field of work, where you can get jobs in many areas. And it's combined actually. Battery management system, we have to write the algorithm as a software part, and that you implement that algorithm in an IC chip. So it's an embedded system. So battery management system is one of the important jobs in batteries. And the next is the vehicle integration. So the EV side, you have to integrate this battery system into the vehicle with the electrical and electronic architecture of the vehicle. So it's another very interesting field, and it depends on different companies. And there are many jobs for people in power electronics and mechanical field in this area, electrical engineering and all those things in this area, vehicle integration architecture. And one thing I forgot to mention here is about the renewable side. There's battery management system and battery complete system for renewables as well. So you can get a jobs in that area as well. And the third category is the type of jobs which did not exist before now. So that is the battery analytics. That is that is basically data science based, mostly artificial intelligence and machine learning based. They analyze the data of the battery, and they predict the life of the battery. They predict the life and the faults of the battery way before they really age actually. So the customers can really optimize the use of the battery to make it last longer and get more out of the battery. That's a new field coming up. So and this is not all. You have lots and lots of branches going from all these fundamental parts. So as I said, it's a great opportunity to be in the battery industry right now.